Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're doing have I not?
Never have I ever.
Oh yeah, that. That one there.
Never have I ever said I love you without feeling it. When I'm mad, when I'm mad.
Yeah. Let me check my answers, but.
Never have I ever snuck out of the house. I have.
Oh yeah, I know you have.
Never have I ever thought about cheating. I was about to be trash. Never have I ever farted in public.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
Nah.
He's lying.
Nah.
You're lying. Yes, you have.
No, I haven't. Alright, tell you the truth then.
Don't lie, it's the truth. All the truth. Never have I ever woke up mad at someone for what they did in a dream. I have.
I'm not.
Always him. I'm always having dreams about him.
I haven't.
And I wake up so mad.
She mad, yeah, she mad from I'll be like,
mad or sad.
Oh, I didn't do it. I don't do that.
I'm like, I didn't tell you about my dream. Never have I ever made out with a stranger. I have not.
No, that's nasty.
Never have I ever faked a relationship with someone to make another person jealous.
That's weird.
Never have I ever wanted to be single again. Sometimes I get mad, but no. Sometimes I need a little bit.
She do. She do. You do be wanting to be single.
No.
Hell yeah.
I just be mad. I'd be like, I need my space. Never have I ever thought about being with someone else when going through hard times.
That's a weird question.
Thought about being alone.
What you mean?
Never have I ever peed on myself.
You have. You have. Don't lie. Oh, that's true. That's true.
When I was little.
Alright.
You want to know the story?
No, I don't want
Yeah. When I was little, I was in Girl Scouts, and we went camping, and I was scared to go to the bathroom because I thought there was bears, and I peed on myself when I was sleeping.
I bet she's gonna get you. Huh?
I really peed on myself. Never have I ever went skinny dipping.
Hell no. I want to.
Yeah, I want to. Never have I ever lied to my significant other.
She have.
About little stuff, little simple stuff.
I have.
He always does.
I ain't gonna lie. Something for little stuff.
It says this one for Marissa's boyfriend. Never have I ever kissed Marissa while thinking about another girl.
No. I'm not.
Why are you smiling?
Because I haven't, chill. Oh my god, I just can't smile. I haven't. Don't look at me. I haven't. No, I haven't. I swear I haven't.
How's that funny?
I just can't laugh. I haven't though. I wouldn't do that. That's nasty. You mess them out. What are you looking at? Do that. Nah, that's my baby. I wouldn't do that.
I'm your what?
You're my baby.
Ask. Okay, say something.
Huh?
Say something. Think of something from the top of your head.
I love you.
No, I love you.
Then what do you mean?
Like, think of some never have I ever.
I got a long ass neck. Because that is up. This one not. Give me some more. That's bomb. Have you ever thought about my homies?
Heck no. I have not.
The first person that came to my mind when I thought about that question is Nate. I don't know why. I beat you up, Nate. I don't know why.
Fuck?
If you're watching this, I beat you up. Him, my little brother, though. You know. Nathaniel.
Never have I ever kissed someone of the same sex.
No, that's
wrong
no.
one.
Hell no. I'm not saying that.
Never have I ever left my house without underwear.
Oh, that's nasty.
What the?
You
have.
Whoever, what?
You have.
Oh, hell no, I haven't.
Never have I ever imitated my parents' signature.
No, I haven't.
I have.
I haven't.
My dad's. When I used to get in trouble.
You're bad, though.
Never have I ever kissed a poster of a celebrity.
Yes, you have.
Yeah, my boyfriend's my celebrity.
Yeah, that's fine. I have to.
I kissed his pictures. Never have I ever been drunk with my parents. Nope.
With your parents?
They don't let me drink with them. Never have I ever got into a physical fight with someone. I fight my boyfriend every day.
I haven't. Not yet. I'll fight someone.
You never got in a fight? You're lying.
Nah.
You're lying. No. Never have I ever cheated on someone.
I have. Ain't gonna lie. I sure did.
Did I?
A long time ago.
No, I didn't. I just didn't take nobody serious. There's a difference.
Alright. I'm gonna open this up, right?
Okay.
It looks bomb right here too. Check this out.
Damn.
Fire. Have you drove a car?
Yeah.
I have. Have you crashed a car? I haven't.
Never have I ever fantasized about someone in this room.
No.
My
Except her.
boyfriend.
Yeah, except her, yeah.
Never have I ever fantasized about my friend's significant other.
That was nasty. That's a home.
If you was doing that, I'm not your friend.
Hell yeah, that's true.
Never have I ever pretended to love someone.
Like in the past or I don't.
Pretend.
It's not hard.
Like, what?
It's not hard. Pretend.
Like, I loved people that I didn't love, but that's pretending.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah. Never have I ever stolen something and gotten away with it.
I haven't.
I have.
I don't steal.
Never have I ever lied during this game.
I have.
You have? I haven't. What'd you lie about?
That's right. Have I ever stole? Have I ever stole? I got away with it. Like I stole your cookies before and I got away with it.
What cookies?
Don't worry about it. See, you don't remember.
Why are you stealing my cookies?
Cause they bomb.
Never have I ever spied on my neighbors.
I haven't. That's weird.
No. They spy on me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You trying to do that?
Never have I ever stole something with a value higher than $10. Never have I ever stalked an ex-boyfriend or girlfriend on social media. They stalked me though.
Don't say that. That's weird.
They do.
You trying to get beat up. Trying to get beat up.
Never have I ever lied to a friend to avoid a greater evil.
No.
A greater evil? I just say, but that's not my problem. Never have I ever had an open relationship. Do you know what's that? Never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand.
No. Have you? Yeah, you have.
Never have I ever refused a kiss. Never have I ever swum naked in a pool, beach. That's the skinny to No, I haven't.
I have not.
Never have I ever got drunk.
I have.
Never have I ever kissed my best friend.
I haven't. Because I don't got a best friend. Oh, yeah. Shit, I have a lot of names. You look back real quick.
I'm your best friend. Never have I ever eaten food that fell on the floor. Don't even lie. You better say you did.
When? When? Alright. Have you? Because I don't remember when.
Have I ever had a friends with benefits?
I'm not.
You're lying.
Who?
You're lying.
Basically, I guess. Yeah, I guess.
Everybody have.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Never have I ever been robbed.
No.
My boyfriend's always stealing my food.
No. She gave me her food. You just got your nails done. How you gonna be eating chips with your nails done?
They don't stain. Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I'm going.
I have not. Tell them wherever I go.
You just saying that because they're gonna see this.
I have not. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment below.
Shout
Give a
us
shout
out.
out, yeah. And like the video and share it to others.
Let us know what type of videos you guys want us to do.
And we get back at you.